ever wondered why you weigh lighter in the morning when you do your scale measurements in the morning? Or have you ever wondered why you feel lighter when you wake up? Have you ever wondered why when you sleep and wake up, your pedometer still has a number of counts or calories there? Or have you ever wondered why whenever you sleep and wake up, you feel lighter as though you've lost some weight in the morning, right? After you wake up, you realize that your weight is different from when you are done with the day or at the end of the day. So watch this video to the end. So yeah, diet day 12. I'm a little bit on break because of the Easter. Yes, I'm enjoying some family time, and so yes, I'm on break. My hair's a little messy. Let me put it at the back. So yes, today I couldn't walk in the morning, but I tried and did some walking in the day, which is not too bad. And I took some ethyl with fish and pepper. I'll show you a picture of how ethyl looks like. It's also my channel as well. And this evening, I'm just going to finish up with some watermelon. Yes, so I'm just going to be diving in. Typically, this is how I eat my watermelon. I just dig in and... So yeah, I'm still on the weight loss. Be more conscious of it. Today, I ate the ethyl after service. That was around 2. Yes, so I realized in the morning I was very tired and I was very sleepy. But I think the walking, the way I've increased the pace and things, and I'm not really sleeping so much like before. My body was all like stressed, tired, kind of bisa. So today I really did a lot of sleeping. Like I slept a lot. I did when I woke up this morning. That was at 5:30. I slept around 10:30 yesterday. Yes, but when I woke up and I ended up sleeping again for like an hour plus. Then after church too, I did an hour plus as well. And so yes, that's how day 12 has been. So far so good. So I'll be sharing my pedometer count for the day as well with you. Ciao ciao. The end. I'm starting the day with some melon, slice of melon. I'm feeling pretty hungry right now, so I'm going to dive into this. I'm having lots of cravings, so I'm just finishing the rest of the melon prep. I go do them. Day 13. I'm to eat some what do you call it? This kaku. So my channel, that's from plantain. Then this was made with the plantain. You can use any type of flour, but this one was with roasted corn flour. Then I've got some palm nut soup here, and I've got some smoked fish. I've got some tuna fish, kind of. There's some crab here. There's some beef here. Typical fancy food. So yes, this is my meal for the day. Girl, I'm hungry. Hi, so weight loss day 13. It's just been more of indoor sleeping. I just took my bath after my walk. Just that I didn't video it, but I'm planning to walk tomorrow in the morning. I was unable to walk. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. Let's go to the beginning. So I was supposed to have walked this morning, but girl, I was so tired. I didn't walk, so I did more sleeping today. Then the morning I had a bit of hunger crank or something. Not coming me. So I took the watermelon first slice. Then like an hour or two later, I was still hungry, so I finished up the watermelon. Then that kept me till noon. Then at 1, I had my lunch, which was pamba soup with plantain. Then that was it. I did a bit of movies, a bit of sleeping. This weekend is more about rest. Like I'm just trying to rest as much as possible for the coming week ahead as well. So that was pretty much, and I was indoor. And as at this evening, as at 6:30, I had just gotten 0.17 kilometers, which was very bad because I've just been indoors, no movement. So I took a walk in town. Then I'm going to share my pedometer count for the day with you right after this clip as well. So yes, the unfortunate thing was I was not able to video. In fact, I didn't want to video because I don't want to invade on people's privacy. You can't just take a picture or video of someone without their consent. And there are lots of people on the road around this time. I can't seek everybody's consent to come in as well. So yes, day 13, more sleep, more rest, but still checking the portions and the quantities or frequency of eating as well. Yes, so I'll see ya tomorrow, day 14, on my walk in the morning. Cha cha. On to day 14, I'm doing a little walk in town. So yeah, I'll show you a little video of my little town here, my hideout when I'm with campus. Yes, this is a good hideout for me. So yeah, just stick to. I'm not going to really go too fast because I don't want people looking at me funny. Yeah. Yay! I just found out something interesting this morning. It just clicked my mind when I woke up. Just check on Google randomly if you lose weight whilst you're sleeping. And yes, you burn quite an amount of calories when you're sleeping, especially when you're sweating and also eating alongside. And typical me, once I sleep, I wake up to wee at least twice or three times. And once I'm up, like in the morning, my sleep is over. I'm obviously going to go and poop. Yes. And I realized when you weigh in the morning, your weight is different from when you weigh in the evening. And I think it's also because when you sleep, the body is at rest and it's burning the calories. Once you wake up and you go and upload and all those things, it kind of goes down. So yes, that's one interesting thing I found today. And so that is why when you sleep and you wake up, you feel lighter. When you sleep and you wake up, yes, your weight feels a bit different. Or when you scale in the morning, right after you wake up, you realize that your weight is different from when you are done with the day or at the end of the day. So yeah, that's one beautiful thing I found out today. I'm still on my walk, enjoying the view. Yeah, in the heart of the town. The castle is down there, but unfortunately, it's a bit dark right now. This is a little after 5. There is the statue of Kojago and Co down there in the yellow building as well. There's a post office there. That's my church. Yay! Yeah, that's the post office right there. So I'm in the heart of the town. I'm walking back. So this used to be another fort, a smaller one, but then folks have broken it. And this is where you find Ekem Ferguson, Jagre and Co. Their statues in there as well. These are all the fishing area. It goes down, and a little up. So yeah, toward the Anomabo. To get me inside. It's a bit dark right now. So let's skip that part. This part goes down. I think I can try that route. So this is the Tourist Information Center. That's the post office. That's my church. Let's take a detour. Let's go into the fishing community. So this is supposed to be the fish market. You see the gallons is for crude oil. We're working further inside. Sometimes it's just a casual walk through that matters. Yeah. It's lunchtime here with some hot grinded pepper, fish, and one day. It's all. So yes, this for lunch. The end of day 13. It's action time. Hey, welcome to the end of day 13. I'm just craving right now, and I'm kind of hungry. I'm eating proteins. I'm eating fried egg. The eggs are good. They are high in protein, cholesterol, and things, which is good. And they can keep you and sustain you for a very long time. So I'm ending my day with this. Then I watch some movies till I sleep, or maybe the next 2 hours or something. So yeah, that's my end meal. Today has not been bad. I did the leisure walk through town in the morning, which I shared earlier. And then I went for church. Then after church I came back and I ate my etzel with pear and fried fish and pepper. That's one of my favorite food, you know. Freshly fried fish with freshly made etzel is just and some hot pepper alongside. That's what I ate this afternoon. Then I think I snacked after my meal. Yes, my folks here, my Lintonese and mom, they made some pancakes or crepes. Yes, so I tried one. Yes, I think I did like literally half of it. Yes. Then that was it till now. And what's the time now? It's actually 8 o'clock at the moment. So yeah, this is my last meal for the day. And I start my movie night. Today is all about Netflix. Yeah, I'm going to just do my movie night till the end of the day. So yeah, tomorrow I'm hoping to wake up a bit early and then walk a little bit through town as well. It's better to have little than nothing at all. So that's my goal for tomorrow. To do a little work in the morning. Then I see what's up for the day, whether to work or still rest. But I realize the rest is also doing me good. I feel better. I feel more relaxed. And so yeah, so I'm enjoying it so far. So I'll see ya in the next episode. Do watch out. Let's have laugh for my team and I.